So he has a plantar fasciitis flare-up in his heel, and so the goal for treatment is to obviously resolve pain and create healing.
Well, it was last night. I was helping paint my daughter's garage. Still have paint on me, and I was coming down backwards off a ladder, and there was something, a paint tray or something down there, and I was putting my foot down and realized I couldn't and had to move my foot as I was coming down and came down on it wrong. Caused a really quick contraction of the gastrocs, really put a lot of pressure on that plantar fascia, and boy, it was agonizing right then. I came into work today, I'm really not walking very well, and Kimberly saw me hobbling and immediately said, get in here, let's get this taken care of.
So for his treatment today, I started out with auriculotherapy and treated the ear.
And what I love about the back of the ear, if you're doing tendinomuscular or you're doing points related to certain areas of the body on the front, the back of the ear mirrors the front, but it's more muscular in nature instead of tendons, bones, and ligaments. And so if there's an area of the body that you can't go and work on muscularly because perhaps they have a cast or they had surgery or they're just extreme inflammation and extreme pain, like a plantar fasciitis patient who's ripped their plantar fasciitis. You're not going to go in and dig and do muscular stuff there, but it's almost like giving them a massage in that whole area of the body and creating the blood flow, and so you're working on the muscular aspect when you treat the back of the ear.
So instead of doing hot and cold with ice and heat, Zhen Shui does all of that magic, plus then it has herbal aspects which heal the tendons, bones, and ligaments, so it helps the healing process to be faster. And now I'm just doing a little bit of gua sha on his leg. And there are a few blockages right up here. I can feel them, and so I'm working through, knowing that I need energy to flow downward across the heel in order to create the healing. The bladder channel comes down the back of the leg, and the muscles in the bladder channel wrap over the heel. So I need the bladder channel to release as it goes over the heel. Qi and blood flow can get to the heel and create the healing. Where does energy need to go next? As it comes down the leg, it also has to come up the leg. So the bladder channel then meets with the kidney channel. The gallbladder meets with the liver channel. The stomach channel meets with the spleen channel. So the channels up the leg all need to be open as well. And really this whole gastrocnemius muscle, it is affected by the gallbladder channel, the bladder channel, even the liver, kidney, spleen channel as it comes up the inner leg. So everything that comes down must come up. And then finally, because he's in pain, I don't want to put a needle into the heel where there's pain, but to help facilitate, I've just added a couple needles, sarin needles right here to create that flow.
So I'm super appreciative, and how blessed I am to work with such talented people and talented healers as Kimberly.